Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hi guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'm making chocolate syrup. Why make at home? Because you can customize it, you can vary the amount of sugar, sweetness, you can even add on anything if you want to add on. The best part is it is chemical free. So let's dive right in and see how to make this chocolate syrup, which can be used as a hot syrup on those brownies, fudges, ice creams instantly by making at home. I'm taking a pan and adding cocoa powder, any brand cocoa powder or chocolate powder you can use as far as it is unsweetened. I'm adding water. Mix it with the help of a whisk to form lump-free paste like this. Just ensure you follow the measurement, otherwise it will not be a correct consistency for chocolate syrup. I'm adding milk. If you are somebody who is lactose intolerant, you don't like using milk here, you can replace it with water. I'm using full fat milk here. Keep mixing it on a medium flame, bring it to boil. You have to keep mixing for another reason, that it may stick to the bottom. Once you find some bubbles, immediately start adding sugar. I'm adding sugar, white sugar and then brown sugar as well. You can use white sugar, double the quantity. If you don't have this brown sugar, it's absolutely fine. These are granulated sugar and it gives a nice flavor when added. Otherwise, not very much of a difference you will find if you use normal white sugar. Boil it for about 3 minutes and it will thicken a bit. It may not look very thick immediately, but hold on, it has to cool a bit to get into that consistency. So for now it will be something like this. Now take it away and allow it to cool for a while. You can see that it is thickened with the layers getting formed on top of the syrup. So now you don't have to cool it completely, just a bit, and then I'm adding salt followed by vanilla essence. This, when followed in the exact method I have shown to you, would really taste like any great brand chocolate syrup, like Hershey's syrup or anything. The best part is you can use it as ice cream topping, you can use it to flavor milk, you can use it for brownies. Hot chocolate sauce is all ready. If you want to store it for future, you can cool it completely and in a glass jar. Store it in room temperature or refrigerate it for the better shelf life. Chocolate syrup or hot chocolate fudge sauce. Hope you like this recipe. I did and my daughter did it a lot. We loved it and it came out absolutely like Hershey's syrup. And Choco Fudge sauce. There are a lot of names for this syrup. If you liked it, don't forget to comment and let me know what more recipes would you like to see here. It can also be known, suggested. And there are a lot of recipes on our channel which are kid friendly, baby friendly and even mom friendly for mothers who want to reduce weight. So we come up with a lot of parenting tips as well. Subscribe to our channel so that you stay updated with all of these. And thank you for watching till now. Bye bye.